Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 일수씨 생일 축하합니다. Char! Ayun, happy birthday, Susie. Ayun, wish you all the best. And sana lahat ng dreams mo or wish mo matupad this year. And sana talaga gumaling ka na. Wala ka na maramdaman na sakit. Lahat, ayun, nandito lang kaming mga friends mo. Alam mo yan. Kahit saan, one call away kaming lahat para sa'yo, Susie. Ayun, mag-ingat ka lagi. And see you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.
May sasabihin ako.
Happy birthday! Alex! Happy birthday! Simple. Happy birthday, Alex. Tuloy lang ang laban. We'll pray for you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday! Just enjoy your birthday, more to come, and complete healing. Laban lang. Kaya yan.
Hello, Alex. Kumusta na? Anong balita? Kumusta na ang airport? Matagal na rin akong hindi nag-duty dyan, ano? O ano nang latest? Happy birthday, birthday, birthday. Miss ko na yung ano natin, yung pagkatapos ng duty, magpipicture-picture muna. Okay, enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Alex. I hope this year will be your turning point for a more healthier and happier life. And always God bless. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo right now, alam ko kaya-kaya mo yan and you'll come back much stronger. Ingat lagi and we always pray for you.
Hi Alex, happy birthday! Wish namin na good health sa'yo at saka more blessing. Miss ka namin.
Happiest and healthiest birthday, Alex. Enjoy your day. May all your wishes come true. More blessings, promotions, and happiness in life. Alam ko, maraming promotions pang deserve mo. Kasi napakabait mong tao at napakasipag mo sa work. Love you, Alex. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Alex. Happy 35th birthday. So, I know yung last time na nag-meet tayo is nung nagpa-practice tayo for the year-end. So, I remember you as someone very energetic, magaling sumayaw, and very happy and delightful person. So, I hope you continue to be the same great person that I met before. I wish you all the best and all the blessings, all the grace and strength for your best day. So, I hope makadalo ka ulit dito sa main office or magkita tayo ulit dyan sa Clark. Always be the best that you can be. And happy 35th birthday.